open me my box.
Are you ready to see your box?
Yes.
The decoration.
Eryn must have used every sticker. Oh, it's so heavy. She must have used every sticker that she owns. Probably not. She owns a lot of stickers. Oh my God, this is so cute. I love it so much. I have to take a picture of it first. Swag money. Girl, she's so crazy. Eryn, I'm excited. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. And I love that she took, I hear like glass in here. I love that she took the time. I didn't even do an intro. That's twice I've done this. I just wanted to jump right in. Let me just do an intro, okay? Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be another really fun video because I can't stop smiling. My face, like my jaw's about to lock up. It hurts so bad because I can't keep smiling, but I'm really excited. Today I'm going to be opening a mystery box that Eryn made me. So Eryn put this together, lots of stuff in here. I have no idea what's in here. I'm a little scared because if you saw my last mystery unboxing with Manny, like I was gagged a little. Literally. So she put me together a box and yeah, I'm gonna be opening it today. And the best part about this is I made her a box too that she is gonna be opening on her channel. So be sure and subscribe to Eryn. Yeah, she's gonna be doing her own mystery unboxing and I just can't wait. I'm so excited. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel before you leave. And we're gonna go ahead and chop this little bad boy open and see what's inside. So come on. Come with me. I'm cutting the tape. I'm kind of nervous. Are we ready?
Da, 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 da.
Oh, it already looks so good. Ah! Okay, guys. So this is the box. And like everything in it, I'm already in love with that I can see so far. Let's do this. So first, thank God she got me these because I haven't had them in a long time and I want them so bad. I tried to restrict myself. That's my favorite snack. This is my second favorite snack for you to snack on and annoy. So I chew bubblegum really loud. Like I'm pretty obnoxious with it. If you don't like chewers, you would really hate me with a mouthful of this. But I annoy Eryn all the time with my smacking. And she's like, stop smacking. So she bought me this big old thing to chew and get on her nerves. My dentist is watching right now. Like, don't. Next, I see a box. And on the box, she's actually hand-drawn all these plants, and it says for us to plant together. So me and her do succulents together, and we like, oh my God, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
There's kind of a late package.
What? Eryn, this is the sweetest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. It's gonna make me emotional. It's a little plant set, so we can make plants together. Me and her like the succulent life. I'm gonna get them all out. How long have they been in this box?
Oh, I've had them out on
Good.
the toilet. So
Good.
That's why I was like, you can't come in my bathroom.
Good. That makes me glad. They deserve sunlight. We get sensitive about our plants. Okay, guys, so she got me a succulent kit with little different mini vases and little stands so we can plant them together. And we will 100% be doing that. And we will have a house filled with succulents as well as pink gardening gloves. So sweet. Moving on. Nerf or nothing. Can't wait to battle. I know. Look how cute her notes are. Okay, mine are so ugly. Hers are so cute. Ty, where are you at? How do you work this? Oh!
Nothing happened.
Get it in there. She bought me a bunch of Nerf guns. I don't know if this... Oh my God! Oh my God! Eryn, I'm so down. She bought too many Nerf guns. Let me get tight. Oh wait, I gotta do this. Oh, I missed. I'm gonna shoot the camera.
She's a horrible aim, guys.
I'm gonna shoot the camera. Are you ready?
Yeah, no
I
one hit the
missed.
camera.
Okay.
One time she threw a phone at me, or a camera at me, and it hit the flat screen TV. And I was like 8 feet away at least.
I just think we should leave the past in the
Story
past.
time.
Okay, guys. The next item I said is random. Keep those hands clean. So she got me hand sanitizer. So I have like a pet peeve with hand sanitizers. Like I always carry my own in my purse. So that's why she must have got me this. Because the ones in the store that they always have in the big gallons, they always stink really bad. So I always put my little hand sanitizer like in my purse and I just pull it out and use my own. So... Okay, this doesn't smell bad. Why do I feel like this is a gag? Okay, she just got me hand sanitizer. I'm down.
What's it smell like?
It's all over me! I'm washing. I'm washing! It's smelling worse! Oh my god, I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out.
What does it smell
It
like?
smells like a dumpster. I'm washing my whole body.
You put so much on.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Ty, can you smell my hand and tell me if I got it good? I washed 4 times. No!
It's like a mixture of soap and ass.
It's still... Like the hand that I poured it in, it's rotten smelling. I'm like gonna rip my skin off. I just want to say that like my family has deceived me. I'm not done washing my hands yet, but for the sake of the video, we're going to move on. Guys, I'm not kidding. I had suspicions about it, so that's why I smelled it first for safety, because I'm like, oh, I don't even want to pick it up. This is rank. It smells like the perfume that Manny got me. It smells just like it. But whenever you smell it, that's why I smelled it first. And whenever you smell it out of the bottle, it smells like alcohol. And then whenever you rub it, it activates the stinky smell. So honestly, I was like, oh my God, this could be like a stinky one or her trying to prank me. So I was like, let me give it a little sniff. Okay, it's alcohol. It's fine. I'll just use some. Oh my God, my hands feel sticky. Is it sticky? Guys, my hands don't smell 100% normal still. It's okay, boo. I got you. I'm gonna get her back.
You're scarred.
I am scarred. The gag reflux is real. Okay? I'm like scared to move on in this video. Oh, these are cute. Hopefully these don't smell bad. Look at this little pack of minty hair clips. I love hair clips like this. So does she. They're called sugar clips. Oh, why is it so cute? Thank you, Eryn. Thank you, but don't. No, thank you. If you ain't crockin', you ain't rockin'. Spice up those crocs. She literally wrote that on here. Guys, she bought me the biggest bag ever of croc accessories. It's a pig. Oh my God, these are so cute. Why am I actually literally gonna deck out my crocs? I have plain black ones, and literally I have like every accessory in the world. My hand stinks. Stop. Still. Oh my God, these are so cute. A little ice cream. Okay, I love these. That was genius, Eryn. The next item is wrapped in paper. She did not give me the brown sugar rum candle. Guys. Okay, the candle looks small, right? Guys, this burns longer and smells stronger than any Bath & Body Works candle. I am not kidding you. I'll put the brand on the screen. It's called Natural Annie Essentials. So Natural, A-N-N-I-E, Essentials. Oh my God. I ordered a bunch of candles from her. She's amazing. I'll link them down below. But guys, this like, it's a soy candle, a hand-poured soy candle. And it just will smell your whole house filled with delicious, that one little candle. It is amazing. I can't believe she like knew to get me that. I swear anytime we would go to the dollar store, you would bring these up. So here you go, Red Hot Time. Guys, this is one of my all-time favorite candies, and I used to always be able to get them from the dollar store, and now I can't get them anymore because they just quit selling them. So I don't know where she found these, but you can't find them anywhere. And Red Hots have been like one of my favorite candies since I was little. So this is super endearing and sweet. Next, I got Meow Star. Are these cat earrings? Oh my God. What are these, Eryn? Oh no, they're just really pretty gold earrings, and I actually freaking love these. Oh my God. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, do you see that? Like the little bar hangs from your ear and a little chain hangs. Ooh, look at my hoops today, girl. Oh, so dainty and beautiful. I love these. Eryn knows my style. She knows I love gold earrings. Next, we have some more Yum Yum treats. Ooh, I want you guys to see how cute her little writing is. My hand smells bad and I just breathed in on it.
What is happening? I wasn't looking.
I just threw the whole box. Like, I hope nothing was breakable. I literally thought candy was in the box. I'm sweating.
Is there another one?
Woo! Eryn! There's another one. I'll show you now that I'm more prepared. I had no idea. I thought candy was in here. I'm sweating. I'm not going to make it out of this video alive. I'm actually a little, I have anxiety. Are you ready? Ready? Oh, it's hard. See, it still scares me. The other one was insane. It came right at me. Oh my god, she's crazy! She's trying to kill me! Okay, first of all, why have I not opened these yet? Staying hip with the kids. Swag money. Okay, I love Vans. Oh my god, where did she find these? Hopefully these are the right ones, but they go with the new kicks. You guys, these are the only socks I wear. And that may sound very weird, but oh, these are them. These are them. So your socks should have like a terry cloth in the inside of them to catch the sweat. That way your feet stay dry and they don't smell bad. If you have smelly feet, it's probably because you're wearing a very elasticy sock that doesn't have a terry cloth in it to absorb any sweat. Everybody's feet sweat a little bit.
Best advice Laura's ever given me.
Yeah, I used to have really stinky, really bad stinky feet.
Hey,
I did too when I was little, but I figured
really
it out. No, they were like so bad. And I was like, let me see your socks. And I looked and they were like the super elastic ones. I was like, that's why your feet stink. So I literally bought him like just some hangs with the terry cloth on the inside. His feet literally never stink again. You could literally smell his foot when it comes out of a shoe and it just smells like laundry detergent. Ever again. I'm telling you guys, it's a trick. Anyways, these are the only socks I wear and most of mine have holes in them because they're so old and I cannot find these by Vans anymore. I like how low they go. Apparently she found them. Girl. Look what Eryn got me. I don't need no white tennis shoes now. I was looking for some white tennis shoes. Look what she got me. She hooked me up. These are so freaking cute. I can wear these with anything and everything.
Back at it again with the white van.
I am obsessed. I feel like she's going to try to steal them. I see you. I see you, Weaver. Thank you so much for the Vans, Eryn. That was so sweet. You did not have to get me those, but we can definitely share them. It looks like she got me she got me a very cute top. Look how cute this is. It's like a little tube top, and it ties up here on the shoulders. Oh my god, I love this. I've had like so many heart attacks in this video. Okay, she got me a chapstick that says, "Be the change. Natural essence." Oh, this is from the Candle brand. So it just came with it. It smells really good. They also sell chapsticks. So really cute. Love that. And then lastly, there's one more thing in the box, which I'm pretty excited about. I'm a puzzling queen. It's one of my favorite pastimes, hobbies. And she got me this cat puzzle. Now, I have not completed Manny's all white puzzle that he got me, which I will be doing. But it says, "Another puzzle for you to do, you crazy cat lady." I love all her stickers. I think I'm going to like save them all in a box somewhere. Is that weird? They're just so cute to me. But I really like this. Alpha cats. It's just so cute. I can do this one really easy too. For all these different color backgrounds, I'm gonna be like, oh, I love it. All right, guys. So overall, this box, besides the part where I almost threw up and the part where I almost had a heart attack, was like the sweetest box ever. And it was also really fun. And I had so much fun opening it. And I love it so much. And I love you, Eryn, so much. And I just can't wait to plant succulents with you. It's so sweet. With that being said, I think she's really going to like her box because it's very catered to Eryn. And my notes are not as cute, but I think she'll really like it. You can go to Eryn Weaver's YouTube channel. I'll have right here. Or I'll just link her video down below as well. If you guys want to watch it, please do. I think you guys will get a total kick out of what I got her. I think she'll get a kick out of it too. But with that being said, this was so much fun, and I have to go wash my hands again because I still smell them, and I think they're gonna stink for like a week. But this was amazing. You got me, girl, and I love you guys. Thank you guys for being here and watching. Be sure and subscribe before you leave. I'm going to put my new Vans on, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys!
Eryn, get in here.
Eryn, come hither. My hands still smell like ass.
Can I smell it?
It just smells like alcohol. When
Yeah,
you
but
rub
I-
it, it activates
Oh, is
it.
this what came out of it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
It gave me a heart attack. I really thought it was candy. Like
Really?
Yeah. It felt heavy. I was in no way ready. I also wasn't ready for that. I am so gullible. It smells like alcohol. Does it stink?
Oh, it smells like alcohol and booty hole.
Yeah, but it smells like hand sanitizer because a lot of them in the stores kind of smell like alcohol and booty hole.
Not like that.
Look, you wanna go?
Let's go. No. Ah! I've been shot.
Did not.
Don't hit me. Oh my God! Right in the ribs. All right, I get one more and we'll end it. Oh, I forgot to do that. Oh.
Alright, we're done.
All right, that's it.
All right.
Thank you guys for watching.